Abo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products and services to our Where in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we would like to thank Ma-RT. Wow, what an ingenuine, how they came up with the name is actually just simple, pero grabe. Ma-RT nga naman, even the logo. So, if you notice guys, meron tayong mga milk teas dito, but hindi lang ito yung mga products nila. Actually, they brought us, wow, you know what, some childhood goodies. So, meron tayong mga ice candies. Check that out. Ayan o. Alright, let me just lay them down here. Tignan po natin isa-isa yung mga products nila. Okay? Ayan. Sobrang dami actually guys. So, again, it brings back to memory, no? Even yung mga simple sweets na mga ganito, ice candies, they have some special memories. Ayan. So, kahit na simple lang sila guys, nakaka-enjoy pa rin silang kainin. Yung mga available flavors natin, let me just, cite them one by one. So, this one is strawberry. And then, next is, meron tayo ditong Okinawa. And then, we also have, so walang flavor to. Later on, we're gonna find out, we're gonna test our taste bud if, we can figure out kung ano yung flavor nito. Alright, so this one is, obviously matcha. It's matcha. And then lastly, meron tayo ditong, let me check. It's a taro. Alright. So again, mapapansin nyo guys, available po yung mga milk teas nila. So yung milk tea itself is converted into a ice candy. So I saw from their fan page, meron sila ditong, they are looking for active resellers for their milk tea ice candies. For the retailer's price, it's just 20 pesos. 15 pesos lamang po ang isa. Pero meron tayong minimum of 30 pieces. You can get a free tarpaulin from them and then post it sa bahay po ninyo para malaman nila na you are, selling Ma-RT ice candies. There you go. Okay, so let's taste first. Isa sa mga milk teas nila. So I think I'm gonna go for this one. Okay. I'm gonna find out kung ano yung flavor nito. Alright. This, hindi ako magkakamali ito because this is my favorite milk tea. Winter melon. Alright. Okay. So, since meron tayong 5 different flavors, let me just pick some of my mga nagkaka-interest ako na tikman. Ayan, so this one is a strawberry flavor. How do you open it? Again, just that way. So actually, first taste natin, it is actually tasting like a strawberry. Unlike yung mga flavored powder ice candy, yung pagkaka-ice candy niya is really fine. Let me set aside this one here. Pili pa ako ng dalawa. Let me taste taro. Alright, so let's open it. Wow! I like it actually better than the strawberry. It has a strong milk tea flavor or taste, which is yun yung mga gusto ko sa mga milk teas. Taro. I'm gonna highlight this one, guys. I'm gonna continue later on dahil nag-enjoy ako doon. Okay, so now, tignan natin yung isang flavor nila dito na actually, it doesn't have a label. Kung ano yung flavor niya. So, we're gonna find out if madi-distinguish natin kung ano yung flavor. Alright. Another flavor, I can't go wrong. This is the cookies and cream. Alright. I like it. Wow! As in, guys, if you are looking for a small business which you can probably explode in the future, start with ice candy. They are looking for retailers and resellers. Just check out their fan page, make a transaction with them on how you can avail their packages, guys. Thank you so much, Ma-RT, for sending us your refreshments. No? It made me, go back to the memory lane when yung mga childhood days natin, ganito lang yung mga merienda natin, di ba? Anyway, so again guys, if you like this video or if you like the food that you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Any reactions coming from you will be highly appreciated. Thank you so much for watching here in Pampanga. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Bye-bye!